In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a Revolut loan application successfully. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to review, and how to avoid common mistakes so your application goes through smoothly. Start by opening your Revolut app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version and that you're logged in on a stable internet connection. Loan availability can depend on your country and account profile, so if you don't see loan options later, that's usually why. Having your identity verified in the app beforehand can also help speed things up. Head to the loans area inside the app. You'll typically find it under the hub or credit section. If the loans tile doesn't appear, your account may not currently be eligible. In that case, you can check back later or contact support to understand the criteria in your region. Once you're in, choose the amount you want to borrow and the repayment term. Use the on-screen sliders or fields to adjust both and watch how the monthly repayment and total cost update in real time. A longer term usually means a lower monthly payment but higher total interest, so aim for the shortest term you can comfortably afford and only borrow what you truly need. Before moving forward, the app may run a soft eligibility check. This is a non-binding, no-impact check that doesn't affect your credit score. It helps you see indicative rates and limits based on your profile. If the initial result isn't what you expected, try adjusting the amount or term to find a more affordable option. Next, provide your income details accurately. Enter your regular take-home income and employment status as requested, and include any additional income only if it's stable and verifiable. Consistency matters. Information that aligns with your banking activity and documents reduces the chance of delays. Avoid inflating figures. Lenders may verify. Now review your offer carefully. Look at the APR, the monthly repayment, the total amount you'll repay over the term, and any fees. Check the first payment date and the full repayment schedule. If early repayment is allowed, note whether there are any charges. Read the key terms, and when everything looks right, confirm digitally. After confirmation, funds are typically credited to your Revolut balance instantly. Set up automatic repayments from the same account and consider adding a reminder a few days before each due date to keep your balance topped up. You can track the loan's progress, remaining balance, and payoff date in the loan section at any time. That's it. Simple, clear, and fast. Borrow responsibly, keep an eye on your repayments, and you'll complete your Revolut loan application successfully.